Hey everyone, it's David here from Athlone Castle, and this year for Heritage Week we're going to be showing you a sneak peek of some of the items within our museum collection. I just want to thank for their collaboration the Heritage Council, the Irish Wall Towns Network and Westmeath County Council. And today we're going to be doing another video for Heritage Week 2021, and it's about prehistoric Ireland, some of the pieces that are within our museum collection here at the castle. Within prehistoric society and settlement, there are three general eras: the Stone Age, the Bronze Age, and then the Iron Age. But within the Stone Age itself, there are two separate entities or eras as well. You have the Mesolithic, the Middle Stone Age, and the Neolithic, or the New Stone Age. And it's within the Neolithic that we're going to be looking at some of the items we have on display here today. So we see a big change between the hunting and gathering society of the Mesolithic, who had travelled over in their hordes from the UK and from mainland Europe to settle this land. But then we see a shift to a more agricultural lifestyle. And a agrarianized lifestyle, people were now starting to clear the land. And in order to clear the land, they started using stone tools that have been used for millions of years. And these stone tools come in all shapes and sizes, from large stone hammers to small axes. And that's what we have on display here today. A typical polished or semi-polished stone axe. This is an axe head. This top bit here, that's your cutting edge. So this would have been attached to a wooden handle. The wooden handle often would have had a hole in it and would have slotted through, fit through the handle itself. So this is a typical polished stone axe head. Another one, very similar in shape, again. This is your cutting edge. And this again would be attached to a wooden handle. But this actually shows where it's been cut, where it's been chipped away. And that's a process known as knapping, K-N-A-P-P-I-N-G. This is just where little pieces of flint have been knocked away. A stone axe, or an axe that would have been used similar to your normal axe, is called an adze. And that's what we have on display here today. So this was primarily an agricultural tool, but it was also used for when trees were chopped down and cut down, for hollowing out the wood and for smoothing the wood. So items such as log boats and houses would have been made using just one of these tools. This adze, a type of axe, was used in prehistoric society, especially in the Neolithic, for smoothing or carving wood in hand woodworking. But actually it had another use. Because Ireland now was an agricultural society, people were clearing the land in order to farm and graze animals. This was used to till the land as a hoe or even a shovel. Thank you for watching one of our Heritage Week videos. I want to thank the Heritage Council, the Irish Wall Towns Network and Westmeath County Council for funding this video.